Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana. So in this video we have a question where we are given that 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 5. That means they are saying that we need to add all these three terms and these all are equal to 3 raised to power 5, right? So whenever you have this type of question, you can see that these all three things are same. If you do not know how to add all these, you can just follow this process that you put 3 raised to power x as t. So you let 3 raised to power x as t, right? So now you can easily add. So it will become t plus t plus t is equal to 3 raised to power 5, right? Okay. Now since we know that when we add t 3 times, it will become 3t, right? So 3t is equal to 3 raised to power 5. Now since we know that the base is 3, here we can again substitute 3 times what is t? T is 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 5. We could do this like in this step as well. Instead of substituting, we could have directly written 3 raised to power 3 times 3 raised to power x, right? But if you do not know that, then you can substitute and then come to this. Okay, now if you see this thing, this is 3 raised to power 1 and this is 3 raised to power x. Since the base is same here, we will add the power. 3 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to power 5, right? So this will become, since the base is same, I will equate the power. X plus 1 is equal to 5 and x will be equal to 4, which is our answer, and we are done. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.